The EUHOMY Ice Maker EM-01 impressively produces 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making it efficient for quick ice needs. With its compact design and convenient carry handle, this portable ice maker is perfect for use in various settings such as the kitchen, camping, or even in an RV. A standout feature of this ice maker is its smart design, which includes an auto cleaning function and infrared sensors that alert you when the ice basket is full or when water needs to be added. Operating quietly at under 45 decibels, the EUHOMY Ice Maker ensures a peaceful environment while it efficiently churns out up to 26.5 pounds of ice per day. Its user-friendly controls and see-through window make monitoring and managing the ice production process straightforward and hassle-free. Included accessories like an ice basket and scoop, along with a 12-month service promise, further enhance the value and convenience of this ice maker for any household.